Hello everyone, this is Annette with my Scrapbooking Corner. I'm here with a layout. My background is going to be Basil cardstock. What, Racy? Alright. Excuse me, sorry. Alright, so that floral layer is Paint Studio Happy Home. This is the June kit. This is my 4th page. Oh, and then of all voiceovers, I'm doing this one as of Coco. I haven't scrapbooked any of her pictures since she passed away back in September. That's why I haven't scrapbooked or anything, because it's just been too hard. And then with 2 5-month-old puppies that we got after she passed away, I won't settle. They never want to settle down. But over Christmas break, this is, what is today? Today is January 6th, 5th, tomorrow's the 6th. And so over Christmas break, I put a blanket underneath where I scrap, and they would lay at my feet. So I was able to do a lot of scrapbooking, try to get back into it. And you're going to see a lot of Reese. She took over my scrapbook room. So that's why all of April kit and, no, May and June kit, except for this one, I just did layout chairs. And then she's gotten to where she likes my office chair, so she lays in that and leaves me alone on the scrapbook table. So I just have to fix my tape. Oh, Jax, you went right over there? Oh, baby. Let me see, what do you want? Alright, so the photo mat is Paint Studio Happy Home. And there's that pink background with white circles with black polka dots. That is Hip Kit Club's Delight. Full. What, baby? I'm going to come sit in my lap. Come on. You want to come sit in my lap? She wants her chair. But I need my chair. Can't you have it when I leave? Maybe if I do this, put my sweater on you. Here, look. Look. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Well, we can share the chair. Yeah, we can share, right? Yeah, we can share. Alright, anyway, so that purple tag at the bottom is Paint Studio's Happy Home Journaling Bits. And I'm going to be putting down a pink tag sticker, which is Paint Studio's Happy Home. That love you. I don't see that I wrote where I got that card, but I want to say that it may have been I think it was from the same journaling bits. Hey, Reese's. Yeah, because those were from there too, I believe. Right, Reese's. And so I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing. And so the floral die cuts are Pink for Studio Happy Home as well. Yeah, no, I feel like I needed that too. 6 o'clock p.m. But the puppies had me up constantly, so I'm tired. And I finally stayed up at 3. So I ended up with a headache anyway. And so I'm going to use some puffy stickers, which are Pink for Studios Happy Home. So a lot of this is Happy Home. And then I use that heart in Sweet Summertime. I use the heart and then Sweet Summertime. The heart goes on the bottom left, and the Sweet Summertime is right there on the Love You card. And that is a die cut from Hip Kit Club's Delightful. And those are the puppy stickers that I use. Alright, and I'm going to do my title, which is my Blondie, because I put some moss on her head and made it look like she has blonde curly hair. And the title and the alphabet stickers are Hip Kit Club's Delightful alphabet stickers. And then that is all I do to this layout, is just try to glue everything down and then add my title. What should I do here? Oh geez, Reese, you're laying with your legs spread open over there on your back. Good night. Look at you. You don't sit like a lady. Yeah, you're supposed to not do that. Silly girl. Yeah, silly girl. Alright, so I'll let you go ahead and watch. After I do my title, that's pretty much all I do for this layout. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.